Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this section, we're going to review the campuses and majors section of the UC application. As you can see, this application section is composed of 5 different sections: the UC values, term and level, choose campuses, choose majors, and then a review section. So let's get started. As you can see in the first section, the UC campuses have left a message for you. They are outlining their guiding principles, their values, and what they believe in. Once you've read this section, you can click the bottom box down here that says, I acknowledge, value, and agree with these guiding principles. Next, you're confirming the term and level that you're applying to. Remember, we filled this out in our About You section. If this is incorrect, you can click on the little I and it'll tell you what to do next, which would be to start a new application. But if it is correct, click on Save and continue to the next section. In this section, I'm being asked to select the campuses that I would like to apply to. You could click on all of them, you can click on one, it's up to you. It says on the left-hand side that I did qualify for a waiver. It looks like I qualify and my estimated cost is $0. I would get a waiver for up to 4 campuses. So if I wanted it to be a free application, I would pick 4 different campuses and then continue. But if I pick more than 4, then I'm going to be expected to pay for that 5th campus. Make your selection, and when ready, press save and continue. In this section, you will choose the major by campus. So you see that the 4 campuses I picked in the previous screen are here. And now you have the option of choosing a major. I pre-filled the ones for UC Berkeley, UCLA, and UC Santa Cruz, but I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like for Santa Barbara. Notice that UC Berkeley says there is no offer for an alternative major. UCLA has the alternative major, but they won't really consider the alternate major unless you're part of their TAP program. For more information, go to our Transfer Center website. So let's practice doing UC Santa Barbara together. Click on Choose a Major, and now you're going to pick the college under which your major falls. So I'm going to pick economics as my major, so it's under the College of Letters and Science. Everything's in ABC order. I'm going to scroll down to economics, and I'm going to say that my alternative major or my alternate major is economics and accounting. When finished, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click Save. This is the same thing that you're going to see with any campus that you apply to. The colleges first and then the name of the majors. Once you've made your selections, you can click Save and Continue. If you'd like to delete your selection, click on Delete, and to edit, just click Edit. Now you're in the last section. You're going to review your selections. So you see here that I accepted the UC values. I'm applying for fall 2021 as a junior, the campuses I'm applying to, as well as how much it would cost. If I don't get the waiver, it would be $280. If I get the waiver, it's $0, as you saw on that screen. And then every major that I'm applying to, first choice major and alternate major by campus. If this looks correct, you will continue to academic history and follow me to the next video.